everybody, I am Girl Gamer Chameleon, and welcome back to another video of Rocket League. And I am here with two of my friends from school, Kobe and Vanessa, as special guests. True. So, I was hoping some of the LTM Haunted Heat Seeker, because I haven't gotten this one on video yet. Yeah. So let's do this. Yeah, I have to get epic saves or just saves in online matches, so let's hopefully I can get that done. Yay. We're doing, yeah. Sadly, I don't have computer audio, so it's just narration. Wow. I'm just protecting the goal. No! Whoops. I was faced the other way. It's just this. I just recently got the title Rocket. Oh, off the wall. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow, and the other team complete. Oh. Oh. Oop. I'm not good at aerial shots. I hate aerial shots. Look at their title. Renegade. Oh, I got it. Wee. The ball is like heat seeking the goal. Yeah, it's like a missile. Got it. Hey, I got a save. Oh my god. If it hits the wall, it'll go back. No! I'm being sucked in. Oh, come on. I was trying to get to it. No. Hey. Woo! You scored, but then got demolished. Yesterday, when I was playing a match of this, someone on the other team kept demolishing our goalie, and that happened to me. It was so. Oh man. Well, I got it. Vroom vroom. I gotta remember to use my power slide. Oh, hey, I got an assist. Still counts an assist. That still counts as an assist. I almost hit it. Dude! Got it. Epic save. I always keep it on ball cam. Yeah, free cam, it just makes me sick. Yeah. No! I gotta remember I can jump higher when I right click the second time. I keep forgetting that. I'm so focused on it. Oh. Well, I do. It seems easier for me. I hate it when I miss. I missed it. Oh, I got it. They're definitely gonna block that. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Eh. Oh, that was close. Ah! Sadly, I only have time for recording for one game of this. Damn it! Why does this always happen? Each and every. GG though. Yeah, sadly, this is like the only amount of time I have for like one video, sadly. So I can only record for 15 minutes because I'm using a screencast-o-matic. So I'm going to do my outro. I do not feel like doing a part 2. No. Nope. No, I don't. How much recording time does it have? Oh, then no. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications if you want to see when I upload a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.